Water-saving techniques. Water-saving techniques refer to practices and technologies that help to reduce water usage and conserve this precious resource. Here are some key points about water-saving techniques. 1. Efficient fixtures. Installing efficient fixtures, such as low-flow shower heads and faucets, and toilets with dual flush mechanisms, can significantly reduce water usage. 2. Landscaping. Landscaping with native plants. Plants and using drip irrigation systems can reduce water consumption for outdoor watering. 3. Gray water systems. Gray water systems allow for the reuse of household water for non-potable uses, such as toilet flushing and outdoor irrigation. 4. Rainwater harvesting. Collecting rainwater can help to supplement household water supply and reduce the demand on municipal water sources. 5. Awareness and behavior change. Encouraging awareness and behavior change around water usage, such as fixing leaks and turning off the tap when brushing teeth, can also contribute to water conservation. Overall, water-saving techniques are important for conserving this vital resource, reducing water usage, and promoting sustainable practices. It's your turn to speak. 1, 2, 3, go!
Great job! Please comment, subscribe to our channel.